Hello, ladies. How are you, my wonderful, busy homemakers? I'm so happy to see you guys here today. And today we are talking about 5 tips to get you motivated to cleaning your home. Okay. You are in the office with Deb, and I am your personal decluttering and home organization consultant. And this month, we're talking all about healthy home, healthy mind. So with that in mind, let's just hop on right into it, get right into it. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, you want to get your kitchen clean. And you're not in the mood, you're not motivated, you're like, ugh, I really don't want to do this. I know it needs to be getting done. I got to take the time to do it. It needs to really give it a thorough cleaning. Okay, my first tip for you ladies, my first tip, and one of the, well, could be very important too. Get the people out of the house. As much as you can, get as many people as you can out of the house. That's the first rule. I don't know about you, but I cannot fully clean when everybody's in the house, walking around the house, following me around in the same room I am, trying to clean. I mean, I clean, but it doesn't get done the way I want it to get done. And I feel like I almost have to take a baby gate and lock everybody out, including the cat. Go away, I'm cleaning. Or I want to put a door on the kitchen door and shut the door and say, out, don't come in till I'm done. Now, if you're on here, let me know if you're on here. And also, let me know if that's happened to you. How you feel when you're trying to clean and you've got everyone home, or not everybody, but the main people that kind of get in your way, if you know what I mean. Pets, the dogs you can kick out the door. Cats, my cat's an indoor cat. I can't kick her out. I like to get her when she's napping. Then I like to get my work done. But anyway, that's my first tip. Because I don't know about you, but when they're out of the house, I'm like, zoom. I want to get it done. I'm motivated to clean the house when they're gone. Now, tip number 2. This comes back to your mindset, ladies. We're going to keep talking about your mindset again. We are getting into, some days it's going to be affirmation time. I got to get this kitchen done. I will get this kitchen done, and I'm going to get it done today. I will get it done. 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 That's my affirmation. Because when I want to get it done, I want to get it done. Or especially if I'm unmotivated, I really have to tell myself, you're going to get it done. We're going to get it done. It's going to get done. It's going to get done. It's going to get done. And I forgot to mention, when you get the people out of the house, know your time limit. What do I mean by know your time limit? Now, you know when the kids are coming home. You know when hubby's coming home. You know whoever's working, what schedule they're on. Make a note of that. Because you know you only have so much time to work with. So that's going to bring me to my third tip, ladies. Chunk it down. What do I mean by chunk it down? You got 2 hours. You know you got to get the kitchen done. You know a thorough cleaning is going to take you 3 hours. Section it off, whatever you got to do. Do this, the north wall, south, east, west. Even if you get half the kitchen done that day, it's better than not getting none at all. Because then you're still going to be motivated to get it done again when everybody's gone tomorrow. And you're going to want to get that motivation going again and get it cleaning. That's what I mean by chunk it down. Now let me know, do you guys do that when you know you only got a certain amount of time? Do you chunk it down and then come back and get it done? I'd like to know. Or do you go get all the cleaning done as much as you can till they come home and see where you get? You could do that too. And then when they come in, then you got to kind of hurry up and pack it up because you're like, you're in my way now. I don't want to be cleaning right now. Now, my fourth tip for you to get motivated to get this done, to get your start on your housekeeping, music. Get that music going. Preferably something that makes you want to dance and sing along. Because if you're happy and dancing and cleaning, you're getting it done. You're definitely going to get that work done. Find your favorite music and dance the night away, so to speak. Now, is that something you do? Do you have to clean with music, when you clean? Or are you cleaning you're just motivated already? You don't need that extra music there. I'm curious. I go both ways. It depends on my mood. So I could do either. Now, my fifth and final tip for you, because we want to get you more motivated because it's January now, 2022. We want to get you, and we got spring cleaning coming up in March. Ladies, hint, hint, what we're going to be talking about in March. Reward yourself afterwards. Not during the middle. Well, you could have a little snack during the middle to keep you going. But the final reward and the most important reward, if that's that cup of coffee that you're dying for, make it at the end. In the middle, have maybe something else to drink instead. Maybe a little glass of orange juice or something, or some water with a snack. But that final reward, it's got to be the best reward. It's got to be what you're craving, what you're really, really craving. Comes at the end, because when you're done, that is your reward. It's time to celebrate. That's the key. Now, I have a course called How to Change Your Mindset with Affirmations. And this, let me know if you're interested in hearing about that, because it is jam-packed with affirmations. Hey, Christy, it's so nice to see you. It is so jam-packed with affirmations. When I first put this course out, it just totally went viral. And I'm going to be putting it in the group then later on too. And I revised it, revamped it, because when you're home organizing, and if you want to organize your home and declutter, and you can't get into it, there is a mental block somewhere. We all have it. We all go through it, because I went through the mindset course myself. I did it. I took it to make sure it was going to work for you. I made sure of that, because it worked for me, and that's why I wrote the course. I knew I had to do something, and I started this course, and I started working with affirmations, and it was like, boom, total game changer. So I want to share it with you guys. But let me know if you're interested in that. Now, don't forget, ask your friends if they want to come and join you into Deb's Decorative Tips in Life, because we're going to be getting back to we're going to be doing a challenge in February. And I don't know if I'm going to let you guys vote on it, because I think this is going to be a good one. We'll see. And I think it's something we all need to really tweak and do. So, ladies, I will go ahead and see you in the group. Let me know if you have any questions on getting motivated to get the cleaning job done. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and the hashtag, let me know if you're watching the replay. I appreciate you very much. Thank you, my wonderful busy homemakers. Bye.